In this lecture, we will going to talk about the read-only connection of Google Sheet with the Anaplan. So we have already seen how to install the Anaplan add-on extension into a Google Sheet, how to sign into a system. So I've already signed in. Let's create a read-only connection. So I'm seeing a sign out because I'm already signed in. Click on the show sidebar. You create a window here from where you can create a new connection, refresh the loaner connection. So all those settings will be seen here. So look, I've already signed in, so it is creating the window here. Now, to create a new connection, we have to click here on the new connection. So this will create a window here. And this window is similar to that we have seen in case of Excel add-in and with the PowerPoint add-in. So we have to choose our customer workspace, model, views, and save views. So we'll click on here. This is the website learnify.com, and here you will find the advanced Anaplan courses. For that, you have to click on this courses. Here you can see we have 3 Anaplan courses: Anaplan Basic to Advanced, Anaplan Extensions, and a package. And we will soon going to launch Anaplan Connect. So from here you can have your Anaplan journey. Now I will select the same module which we are using in terms of Excel add-in and the PowerPoint add-in, that 01. And here I am using the default view in case of read only. I've created another view in case of read and write because otherwise it will take a lot of time to create a sync data with the Anaplan. So that's why I've created a short view there. So this time we are creating only read connection, so I'm not going to check this. Click on next. Now here, as you will see, like in case of Excel and in also I've told you that if we select a particular view, we can't pivot it here. In case of Google Sheet add-on, we don't have any option to select the module, not the save view. As you can see here, if I go here, you can see I have to select a view. So that's why we can't change the pivot here. So if you want to change any pivot, you have to go to the Anaplan. There you have to change, create a save view, and you have to come back here to get that view. So this is the case, like we can't change it here. And let's click on this finish with these many like page selectors having line items, rows having transaction data, and column having time. So this will retrieve the data from the Anaplan and we'll publish it here. Now one more thing to notice here is, let's say if instead of this cell, like I have my cell at some other place, that we place the data there. So let's say mistakenly you have this, you can see this blue box is present over somewhere here, that will start placing data from there onwards, not from here. So yeah, this is the another thing you can keep in mind while retrieving the data. So you can see it is just reading the data from the Anaplan and placing it here. So look, let's search the data. Here are all the details which we can see. Now if I go to the settings, now if I go to the pages, from here I can change the line item. So this is showing me the first line item amount. So if I want to change it, and click on this input, click on refresh. So it will fetch the data here. Here we don't have any option to create a multi-sheet connection like we seen in case of Excel add-in. There we can create multiple sheets. Nor we have here drop down which will like select. So we have to click here and select. So it is refreshing the data. You can't create a multi-sheet connection here. So this is one of the difference between the Excel add-in and the Google Sheet add-in. So although the process is same, we have to create a connection, we have to read it, and we can read it from the Anaplan. If I change data into the Anaplan, we will see it here. So now look, it has refreshed the data and now we are seeing the input line item. Let's say if I go back to my Anaplan and put some value here, it's at 20. Now, if I come here and refresh the data, now you will see it will place 20 here because it is going to read the data from Anaplan. So let's wait for this to refresh the data. And this is same like we have seen in case of Excel add-in as well. So the same procedure will be followed here. And one more thing you can notice here is, in case of read and write, we see all of this which we can write into Anaplan comes in blue color. And if we can't able to write into Anaplan, it will come in black color. So this thing you can notice here, all of them are in black color because this is a read-only connection. We can't write it into the Anaplan. So this is one difference we can find out in case of read-only or a read and write connection. So look, I refresh the data, we have put 20 there and I fetched that 20 here. So this is how read connection works. This is how we create a connection and read a connection. In the next lecture, we will see how to create a read and write connection.